What's up, YouTube? Hey, just want to put this quick video out there on my 2016 Chevrolet 2500 Duramax. I was having an issue with it not wanting to start, and other times it would start it and start driving down the road and the gauges would just go crazy, sweeping back and forth. Just oddball electrical issues, some of the lights flashing on and off on the dash, and eventually it got to where it wouldn't crank at all. So I'm gonna show you what fixed my truck. It's a zero cost fix. You can check it out. This may not be your problem, but it's the easy fix if it is. All right, so here's the truck. As I said, 16 Chevrolet Duramax. If you look where this yellow tape is across here. Now, I'm not a technician. I didn't fix this, but this was the fix. This harness, the way it's sitting in there, rubs against this line on your air conditioner right here, and you can see where it rubbed the wire into and was arcing out on that. So the fix was take this wire up and get it off that line, and it's running like it's supposed to and not having any issues. I've already tried. I replaced this battery box and watched all kind of YouTube videos, but the technician said this is very common, so check that out first.